Creo que el buen vivir encierra el respeto de los derechos de los pueblos indígenas, el respeto a la madre tierra, el respeto a la cultura, el respeto a los idiomas, el respeto a las formas de vida de los pueblos indígenas.
Esteemed Indigenous Peoples representatives, partners and colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. To each and every one of you, old friends and new, I wish you a very warm welcome to our IFAD headquarters and to this, the very first global meeting of Indigenous Peoples Forum. Today, I would like to renew IFAD's commitment to work for equity and economic opportunity for Indigenous peoples and to preserve the rights of Indigenous peoples to self-driven development.
Nuestra madre naturaleza está derramando sangre. Nuestras plantas sagradas están muriendo. Nuestros dioses a gritos nos piden que sus hijos nos levantemos y alcemos nuestras voces al mundo pidiendo un alto a ese mal desarrollo o progreso.
Hace apenas 80 años, el primer líder de los pueblos indígenas llegó a Naciones Unidas y no le abrieron las puertas. Hoy, aquí en IFAD, venimos a dialogar con las máximas autoridades de esta institución. Han habido muchos cambios.
It was 2003, and this was the very first time officially Indigenous peoples came to IFAD. At IFAD today, we have a policy. We established an Indigenous Peoples Assistance Facility, which is running since 2007, and today we are having the very first global meeting of the forum.
As a member of the Indigenous Peoples Steering Committee, I would like to believe that the relationship between us is one of reciprocity. While IFAD supported us technically and financially, we continue to challenge IFAD to think of Indigenous peoples not just as beneficiaries of projects, but as partners who will bring about a change of paradigm in the way the world is talking and doing development.
Il faut que le processus soit intériorisé au niveau des pays où se trouvent les autochtones.
Tomindili fo mentawai fol beendila bejenga pendirto bebaro bejenga tomindili fo mentawai fol beendimda.
Utilizamos para analizar buenas prácticas los 9 principios de actuación de la política de FIDA.
The findings on the case studies, it's really more to cite what has come out as good practices and key success factors and innovations. So one is strengthening community-based traditional institutions and governance systems. Second is the development of gender awareness and capacity building. Third is the introduction in infrastructure and appropriate technologies.
IFAD support to agricultural projects that are compatible with environmental protection in some countries, which is a good practice.
¿Qué encontramos como buenas prácticas? Encontramos mujeres indígenas empoderadas, fortalecidas con los proyectos. Descentralización agroindustrial. Encontramos en los proyectos que la gente ha llevado el desarrollo agroindustrial hasta el nivel comunitario.
Asante Yesu kwa kuwa wewe yu mwema. Wewe ndiwe Mwokozi kwa kuwa wewe yu mwema. Asante Yesu kwa kuwa wewe yu mwema.
Así también hemos identificado algunos desafíos muy importantes. Uno de estos desafíos tiene que ver con el consentimiento libre, previo e informado, ¿no?
IFAD will continue to ensure participation of Indigenous peoples in its projects through the design process and use of a more rigorous review process.
Do you have comments, suggestions for improvement?
This is what we had hoped to achieve when we first started the movement for Indigenous peoples, that there was this direct dialogue, involvement, engagement, where Indigenous peoples themselves were able to say directly what they wanted the UN agencies to do.
These are the deliberations of the first global meeting of the Indigenous Peoples Forum at IFAD. We call upon IFAD to ensure the full and effective participation of indigenous peoples, including in the formulation of country strategies and throughout the project cycle. IFAD should consider this consultation and consent as a criterion for project approval as stated in its policy of engagement with indigenous peoples.
The traditions and the knowledge present here today are precisely what must be cultivated if we are to achieve real and lasting improvements in the rural areas of the developing world.
It's not only expectations that we have, we also have commitments.
Ce qui serait notre engagement, c'est que nous nous rassurons que le processus de l'installation du forum soit connu au niveau de la base.
Socializar el trabajo que está haciendo FIDA aquí.
My commitment is to help facilitate a closer working relationship between IFAD and indigenous peoples and national governments.
Gobierno, FIDA, pueblos indígenas y, por qué no decir, el sector privado.
Créer les conditions d'implication de ces populations, à identifier leurs propres préoccupations et à participer à la prise et à la mise en œuvre des décisions qui les concernent.
What I see is an improved and increased maturity in this group. What you have asked us to do is reasonable. It's a stretch in some cases. I don't see anything in it to contest. Ensuring full and effective participation of indigenous peoples in projects in countries where there are indigenous peoples, absolutely. We should always do that. I like the 4 commitments that you have made. This makes this a reciprocal. It isn't just asking us. This is a partnership. You make commitments, we make commitments. So really what I would like to do is to applaud you. You've done this. This is terrific. Congratulations to you.
You're pushing us, and it's good. You have to push us. What you're pushing us to do is something that we ought to do. And maybe we have to recognize our weaknesses. We can improve. But let's also admit that the indigenous people policy in IFAD is only 3 years old. And now you have senior management endorsement of your recommendations.
I fully subscribe to the Vice President's comments that he agrees, and me as a representative of Luxembourg, I agree.
I think it's great that IFAD took the initiative a couple of years ago with the Indigenous Peoples Forum.
En tant que membre des instances de gouvernance du FIDA, nous entendons la demande qui est faite de vérifier que les projets ont bien été adoptés en ayant recueilli le consentement informé et préalable des populations autochtones qui sont concernées. Et là, c'est vraiment quelque chose sur quoi nous sommes disposés à vous aider.
Ustedes tienen una gran responsabilidad. Yo espero que los espíritus de la selva nos protejan e iluminen para ayudarnos a poner en prácticas las decisiones adoptadas por el Foro de los Pueblos Indígenas en el FIDA. Muchas gracias.
We started with a seed 10 years ago. There is a plant, and we wish we will have a forest. Thank you.